Hello, my name is Jeff Kilpatrick, and I'm here to present on the topic of non-destructive testing. Today's presentation will focus on the advantages, disadvantages, and costs of 7 different types of non-destructive tests. Firstly, non-destructive testing is a set of methods used to determine the integrity of different materials, components, and structures without causing damage or altering their property. Non-destructive testing is used in various industries, including aerospace, automotive, construction, and manufacturing, to ensure quality control, prevent failures, and reduce maintenance costs. The most common non-destructive testing methods include visual inspection, ultrasonic testing, eddy current testing, magnetic particle inspection, liquid penetrant inspection, radiographic testing, and acoustic emission testing. Each method has its own strengths and limitations, and the selection of the appropriate method depends on factors such as the material, the defect type, and the inspection objectives. Non-destructive testing can be performed during manufacturing, assembly, and in-service inspections, and it plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and reliability of various products and structures. Firstly, let's start with visual inspections. Visual inspections is a simple and easy to perform test that has a relatively low cost. It can be used for a wide range of materials and components. However, it is limited to surface defects only. It relies on the inspector's experience and judgment and cannot detect internal defects. Next, we have ultrasonic inspections. This test can detect internal defects such as cracks, voids, and inclusions with high accuracy and sensitivity. It is non-invasive and does not require dismantling of the component. However, it requires specialized equipment and trained operators, and it is limited to materials that can transmit sound waves. The cost is moderate to high, depending on the equipment and the complexity of the inspection. Moving on to eddy current inspections. This test can detect surface and near-surface defects with high sensitivity to variations in material properties. It is non-invasive and does not require dismantling of the component. However, it is limited to electrically conductive materials. Results can be affected by the shape and size of the component and requires trained operators and specialized equipment. The cost is moderate to high, depending on the equipment and the complexity of the inspection. Magnetic particle inspection is another type of test that can detect surface and near-surface defects in ferromagnetic materials with high sensitivity and fast results. It can be performed on complex shapes and sizes. However, it is limited to ferromagnetic materials only. Results can be affected by the orientation and magnetization of the component and requires a trained operator and specialized equipment. The cost is moderate as the equipment is relatively simple and inexpensive. Liquid penetrant inspection is a test that can detect surface defects such as cracks and porosity with high sensitivity and fast results. It can be used on a wide range of materials. However, it is limited to surface defects only. It can be messy and time-consuming and requires trained operators and specialized equipment. The cost is relatively low as the equipment is simple and the materials are inexpensive. Radiographic inspection is a test that can detect internal defects such as voids and inclusions with high accuracy and sensitivity. It can be used on a wide range of materials. However, it requires specialized equipment and trained operators, can pose health risks to operators and surrounding personnel, and results can be affected by the thickness and density of the material. The cost is moderate to high, depending on the equipment and the complexity of the inspection. Lastly, we have acoustic emission testing. This test can detect early signs of damage and fatigue and can be used for real-time monitoring. It is non-invasive and does not require dismantling of the component. However, it is limited to detecting cracks and other types of damage that emit high-frequency waves, require specialized equipment and trained operators, and its results can be affected by environmental noise and other factors. The cost is moderate to high, depending on the equipment and the complexity of the inspection. In conclusion, non-destructive testing plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality, reliability, and safety of various products and structures. The selection of the appropriate non-destructive testing method depends on several factors, including the material, defect type, and inspection objectives. Each method has its own strengths and limitations, and it is essential to weigh these factors carefully to determine the most effective and efficient method. While non-destructive testing can be expensive and require specialized equipment and trained operators, the costs are outweighed by the benefits of preventing failures, reducing maintenance costs, and ensuring the safety of personnel and the public. As technology advances, the field of non-destructive testing continues to evolve, and new methods and techniques are constantly being developed to improve the accuracy, sensitivity, and efficiency of non-destructive testing. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.